Hi. Today, I'd like to invite you to take a look at the Reviews tab in the Rating Captain application. Here you have the option to select the profile you are interested in, and then you can proceed to browse all available reviews. Here you will also find an advanced filter that allows you to break down by day, number of stars, content, replies, duplicates, as well as reviews removed by the user or Google. You can also see topics and a breakdown of reviews by positive and negative sentiment. In addition, you have the option to sort reviews according to your preferences. This is where you have the ability to easily edit or respond to the latest opinions that appear on your profile. You can customize the length of your review and choose the tone that suits you best, whether formal or friendlier. You can also use complementary keywords. We recommend using words that you monitor in the Position Map tab and that you would like to improve your ranking. If you wish, you can also prepare a prompt for your feedback response, which will allow you to better control the message. You can enter, for example, 100 words here and then click the Generate Replay button. The system will automatically generate a reply which will be listed under the customer's comment. If you want the review to be published directly to Google, just click Update and the review will automatically appear on your Google profile. You can also select all to go to the bulk view, which will allow you to respond to multiple reviews at once. Here you can also configure bulk response settings. The parameters you set will be retained when generating bulk responses. Coming back to this point, you can also enable automatic feedback response. This feature, with preset parameters such as language, tone, keywords, or length, allows you to automate the response process. You can decide which feedback you want the system to respond to. You also have the option to use the response templates you have previously created to be used. In addition, you can receive weekly notifications to your email address. Just click Save here and everything will become active.